Welcome to Miami, guys.
How about a big round of applause for Captain Chris?
What's up, guys? There's another beautiful day here in Miami, and I decided to take out the Checkmate. I want to test out the props. I have a Laser 2 25 pitch propeller that I want to test out. I don't have it on the boat yet. I don't have it on the engine yet. I still have my old 24 Fury. I want to do a comparison for you guys from the Fury, a 24 Fury, to a Laser 2. I had never ran the Laser 2. I got it on a trade, and we're gonna see what she does. So I'm already far enough from the bridge that I can take off. So let's go. Damn slow takeoff, but at least it takes off, right? That was a rush. I have no idea how fast I went, but I know I was going fast. 50, I was only doing 60 miles an hour. So for some reason, we're only doing 60 miles an hour today. I guess because I have the back seats on. Those rear seats are easy 150 pounds. 100 pounds. No, 150 pounds. When I built them, I didn't build them to be light. But at least she's a solid 60 mile an hour boat. I'm not bragging about that, but whatever. I need to find some flat water. It's choppy today. I think I need new spark plugs. I hate the slow takeoff. is on a Monday, guys. On a Monday. Let's change the propeller. I want to put the 25 laser on now.
No, wait. No, wait. Yo, the boat has my name on it, yo. I mean, live. Yeah? Yeah, rent that shit. Rent that.
Nah, that's my YouTube channel.
Oh, man, I'm gonna follow you on YouTube. So, hey, I take pictures, so let's take a movie on it. Good.
Let's see, this is the first time I tested out this prop. I had it in my garage for a while. Never tested it out. Yes, it does. Takeoff is better, I can tell you that. Oh, 70. 70. The commentator's more on takeoff. Let's see. I don't see that much of a difference, to be honest. You did 60. Okay. Better than 59.9. It's about the same. But it was at 5,300 RPMs. So let's see once I get next to this island right here, what it does. I should have changed the spark plug before I came. This is what it is. A little side-to-side motion. Alright, yeah, the side-to-side works. Now we're taking off. So I still smell fuel, and we're going 5,640 RPMs. 5,400, 5,600. 5,640 was the RPMs now that we did. And our fastest mile an hour was 57.9. So I guess the propeller is still too slow. I guess I need a 26 pitch, 27. So this is how I'm gonna, you guys are gonna get a first-hand look on how I park the Checkmate when I come out to the island. Little safety knot. All right. Keep that in hand. and then we're gonna flip her around once we get to the island. Trim down all the way. Fuck me, that cavitation sucks. Wow, that cavitation sucks. Can't take off. Take off now. It ain't happening. So this laser 2 prop is not the prop for me, guys. I don't like that cavitation. I didn't cavitate as much when I had the Fury on here. So that answers my question, that answers your question. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, I'm trying to give you guys as best content as I could in my backyard. And now the sun's going down and I gotta get home. I don't have my navigation lights rigged up yet, so that'll be another thing to do on the list next time I come out in the water. Change the spark plugs, change the propeller, wire up the navigation lights. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. Drop a like if you enjoyed it. Share it to your Go Fast friends, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. There she goes! Easy does it, let's go! Trim up!